Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly, and in today's video I just wanted to get on here real quick and show you guys how I lay my edges or my baby hairs. In my opinion, my curly hair looks best when my edges are laid down and kind of just not looking, you know, a little wild. So I'm just gonna show you guys the two products that I like to use, not at the same time, one at a time. I take turns. So one of the products I use to lay my edges down is SheaMoisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Edge Treatment, and then the other one that I use is Curl's Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste. So I'm gonna use one on each side to kind of show you how they look, how I style them, and all of that. And to style, I use an old toothbrush. I know some people might think this is weird, other people might totally understand because they do it too. A toothbrush is perfect, it's small, it gets right where you need it to get. So yeah, so first I will start off with SheaMoisture's Strengthen and Restore Edge Treatment. So on the inside, it looks like this. Really smooth jelly consistency. It smells good. I like this line. So what I do is I just dab my toothbrush into the edge treatment, just a little bit, and then move my hair back and kind of just brush my baby hairs down. Don't bring it too far out on your skin because that's an easy way to break out. You don't want to do that. So keep the hair right in its place on the hairline. And I just brush downward. A lot of people do all these cool kind of like, you know, styles and curls and twirls and all that stuff. I don't do that. My baby hairs are like really long. I feel like if yours are shorter, you can do like the layered kind. Not that I never would do that, I just don't even know how to do it. Yeah, so I just do simple strokes downward. Sometimes I'll bring my sideburns down as well, and that's that. So it's nice and slick, it stays put, and then sometimes I run my finger over it just to flatten it out, and yeah, that's it. So as you can see, this looks a lot better than this. And then for this side, I'm gonna be using the Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste. So I'm just dabbing my toothbrush in there, getting a little bit of the paste. So this consistency is obviously very different. The other one was more of like a gel, and this is a paste. And it gives a very strong hold as well. So I'm just gonna grab the hair from this side. My baby hair is thicker on the other side. I don't know if that's a common thing or if other people have that too. But yeah, so I just brush it down, brush it down. Sorry if the lighting keeps looking different. The sun does not want to make up its mind and it's going back and forth behind the clouds, in front of the clouds. It's getting on my nerves. Anyways, so as you can see, the product is slicked down to my edges. So again, I use my finger and kind of just flatten everything out. You could also use the tip of the toothbrush to get like a straight line. There we go. So if you look at both of them, you can see that both have a really good hold. This one, the Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste, is definitely a stronger hold because it's a paste. As you can see, I lifted my hair up a little bit and it moved. If I lift my hair up a little bit here, it like barely moves. It's a much stronger hold. But I like both of them. They both work well. They both have really nice shine. And what I like about both of these products is that I don't have to reapply them every single day. So if I style my hair one day, the next day all I have to do is add a little bit of water on my toothbrush, and that just reactivates the product that is already on my hair. So no, I don't have to use it every single day. If my hair starts to get really frizzy like today, on, you know, 3, 4, 5 day hair, I rarely make it to 5-day hair, let's be honest, but say you get there, then maybe I would have to reapply the product because my hair is much more frizzy. Both of the products don't flake up, they don't give me dandruff or anything like that. These are my favorite edge tamers. I have nothing bad to say about them. They both work well, they do their job. So I definitely recommend them if you're looking for something to add on to your baby hairs or your edges. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering why I didn't do any of the top, that's because I don't have any on the top. My baby hairs are super long up here that they kind of just blend in with my bangs. So I never have to worry about like pulling any of these down from the top because they're all on the sides. They're like really long. Everybody does it differently. Some people do all of this. Some people have shorter baby hairs that they're able to just bring forward and it looks really cute. So it all depends on what you have, whatever works for you. this works for me. That's kind of what I do. Very simple, my quick routine, just lay them down and good to go. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. It was a simple quick video. I just wanted to show you guys what I did. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.